Look at our trunk situation right here.
Well, to be fair, we have golf clubs in there too.
Yeah.
We have 2 sets of golf clubs in there.
The trunk's just so unorganized. It's just how the boys be. All right, what's up, boys? We're back here for another video today. We're already in the car that we're gonna show you, but you probably can't tell what car it is. But how you feeling this morning, Robert?
Feeling good. I waited like 30 minutes for my coffee, but
yeah, Robert was about to go fight the barista real quick.
He's going postal.
He ended up getting his coffee. The lady said, "Hey, we called your name," but yeah, I didn't hear it the whole time.
Did you hear it?
I never heard it.
Hey, did you hear it?
Never heard it.
Yeah.
Still the GOAT coffee shop for Big Bear though.
It's pretty good.
But anyways, here we are. We're still in Big Bear, California. We're on the way down the mountain right now, and we're heading home. But we can't do that without stopping somewhere first, all right? This guy is dreading this moment. What are we getting? What are we stopping for?
We're stopping at McDonald's for a Travis Scott burger.
Come on, bro. You got to get the Travi patty up in here. Sam doesn't want to get, he doesn't want to do it.
Hey, bro, Cactus Jack sent you. You're not going?
I'm gonna do it, but I'm not ordering from McDonald's. I don't eat there.
Yeah, alright. But anyways, we're out here. Sam got a new daily, and that's what we're in right now. Not sure if you can tell yet, but we do have a Toyota logo right there. This is literally definition daily. It's the definition of a daily driver. So anyways, go ahead, cut to some outside B-roll of the car, and you guys will see what it is. All right, and we're back. Sam copped a Corolla S. What year is it?
16.
Before that, you sold the Fiesta. Okay, Fiesta was a great time. You know, we actually did film an entire season 1 that unfortunately there was a hard drive problem, and I accidentally deleted literally every episode, and it killed all motivation, unfortunately. We had a really sick video of the Fiesta. It literally shot a big ass flame. Do you still have the video of that by chance?
I think I do.
Sold the Fiesta, you got a truck, but not any truck, it was like a mini truck. You still have it.
1993 Toyota pickup.
It's currently for sale. You wanna do your little ad right here?
1993 Toyota pickup for sale. I know what I have. No low ballers. 20K OBO.
20K. Oh.
3K OBO. It still runs.
Still runs.
Fine. Yeah.
There you go. So
It got me to pickup. It's not gonna not run.
yeah,
It got me to work every day for over a year, and it still runs and drives. It just has there was an aftermarket alarm at one point.
Okay.
So it constantly draws on the battery because they didn't disconnect it right, but
that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you just sometimes have to jump start it or bump start it.
3K OBO, no low ballers. He knows what he has. You liking the Corolla so far? How you liking just having such a normal car? This is probably like the first you're the first like responsible person in our group to just buy like a reliable car. You know that?
Bailey had the Hyundai first.
What about Brandon and the CC?
Brandon in the CC. Oh, it's a Volkswagen.
Oh.
Just kidding, Brandon. I love your car.
We love
your new
you,
wheels
Brandon.
are nice.
We love you. Yeah, I want to see Brandon's new wheels in person.
I saw them.
Are they good?
Nice, yeah.
They're pretty cool.
And you have a Harley as well, right?
Mm-hmm.
So bike life. You really into that bike life now?
Well, that's my only source of fun at the moment. So,
Wow, that sounded really depressing.
it doesn't work because I don't have tires for it right now.
Yeah, so maybe some Harley content if Sam gets some tires. Nothing crazy, but maybe we'll throw it in a couple of videos, you know?
It's a Porsche, by the way.
Okay.
The motor was designed by Porsche. I would just like to
It's a
make that
collab.
clear. It's a collab.
That's what Sam's rocking with nowadays. You got your update on Sam. Everyone's been wondering because it's been a fat minute since we've been on the channel. Like, aside from the videos that we filmed this weekend, like, it's been a minute, you know? The fans want to know.
I have a job. I have a car payment, and I don't do anything for fun.
And we're gonna get Travi Patty for some slightly more exciting content. Man, we got the Fiesta ST up there. Dude, good times. Remember when we were 3-wheeling down Big Bear Mountain in yours, bro?
I remember going down with a bad wheel bearing and a bad axle and a bad time.
It was a bad day for you, man.
It was a bad week for me, yeah.
Oh, man, dude, he's mopping the corners. About a 3-wheel in the Rollo, dude. What's the transmission on this again? CVT?
It's a CVT.
Oh. How does the CVT with paddles feel? I don't think I've ever driven one like excessively.
I'm not gonna lie, it feels like a normal transmission.
For real? Wow,
Yeah.
we're eating this corner, by the way. Camera's not gonna do that justice. We just straight ate that shit.
Yeah.
Holy. Good thing we got the Corolla S seats. They really keep me bolstered in right here.
Toyota calls them bucket seats.
No way.
They do.
They did the same with the TC, but that shit was like a recliner, bro. That wasn't... No chance. Straight up ate all the competition out of the way back there. Now we just got this bike. Oh, we made it down the mountain. Slight brake fade on the daily driver. That's all right. Lots of instant stops on the downhill part. Not really sure why, bro.
There's a ton of people, none of which have ever driven on a mountain road in their life, apparently, nor obtained an actual California driver's license.
I mean, you know how it is. California drivers going downhill.
The worst.
How it is.
Never.
Almost as bad as New Jersey drivers.
Been to New Jersey?
No, but I hear
Well.
horrible things.
Robert's staying hydrated with that electro lit. But we're about to get this Travi patty, bro. We're gonna see what all this hype's about. I'm not a big burger guy though.
You had to pick the busiest McDonald's in all of this
Bro,
shit.
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
What
is this guy gonna do, bro? Absolute disaster. Like one car away. You ready to order this, Sam? Like, is this gonna be like?
Hey Sam,
Like,
they know why you're here, Sam. They know why you're here. Come on.
God damn
You know
it! I will
what
be
fucking
damned if
city
I.
we're in, right? It would not surprise me if the cashier pulls out an illegally obtained firearm and shoots me in the fucking face for ordering this.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. What can we get for you?
Hi, can I please get started with a Travis Scott meal, please?
Oh my God, boys! It actually happened. If there was anyone in this car to order a Travi patty, it's this man right here.
Oh man, we did no pickles and mustard though.
Yeah.
I mean, Travis Scott, I like your style, but that's kind of gross, dude. Look at that, bro. We don't have to.
What do you think, Jake? Do you think those are real Boston's or do you think they're knockoffs?
Look at that. Bro, you really need to vacuum this place up, bro.
I can't believe we don't upload consistently for 2 years and this is what we come back with right here.
Use my fucking barbecue sauce for my fries.
It's complete and utter chaos.
Barbecue sauce and fries. I'm not sure if that's a move. More of a ketchup guy myself. Does it go?
I think it does.
Where's the spray? Where's the spray? You got the spray right there. You got. We're trying it all. Come on.
I mean, Robert did give me an
Oh, it's busy, bro.
Does it taste like the
Dude,
TV
is it
static?
spicy?
Yeah, it tastes like TV static. It's spicy.
I didn't even bother I'm gonna kill myself.
Cut.
Why'd they bother putting whipped cream in a cup with a lid on it like this?
That's the best. Overall, so far, I gotta say, Corolla kind of comfy, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this was a nice, comfortable ride. You know, we had plenty of leg room and everything. Robert's got plenty of leg room, even in the back seat. He's a pretty tall guy, too. He's 5'10", so you seem to fit pretty comfortably, too, for a dude that's like 6'4".
6'3".
Nah, bro, you're 6'4", no doubt about it.
My dad was 6'3" and then grew to 6'6" in college, but I didn't go to college, so I can't grow.
So, Sam, there's this airport base right here.
Well, it's actually the museum, Sam. You know the March Air Force Space Museum? This is where I did my Eagle project, Sam. Remember?
Oh my God. Can I ever forget? Because it comes up every single time.
If you're a new viewer or you forgot, it's a running joke where Robert says that every time we pass the goddamn place.
You can see it.
Ooh, all right, we're dropping off Robert. We still got the NA Miata right there, and then of course the new Miata. Generations right there, bro.
Right there. Let's
Generations.
go.
Damn, look at that. Look at that. If you haven't seen the reveal video already, go check it out. We'll drive drift. Come on. No way. No way.
Oh, traction control. I forgot about that. It's been a while.